Philip goes to Samaria and he's preaching about Jesus, right? He's preaching about Jesus, and everyone in Samaria, it says, are excited and happy. They are enjoying what they're hearing. They appreciate what they're hearing. They like the miracles he's performing. And they join in and they are baptized, it says, and they are in one accord with the teachings. And what does accord mean? It means an agreement, right? They're in agreement. We agree with what you're saying Jesus has done and who Jesus is. Well, I think it's important to note that the early church weren't always in agreement. And just before the resurrection, they were afraid to talk out loud. Peter denied Jesus 3 times because he was afraid to talk. And yet, now they're talking openly. And they're talking in the first reading in a place called Samaria. The people of Samaria didn't like the Jews. And the Jews didn't like the Samaritans. It's a good thing we don't live in a world where some groups don't like other groups, right? But that we've risen past that. But the Samaritans didn't like, the Jews used to make long trips around Samaria to get to other places just to avoid Samaria. So why was it that when Philip went there, they were so open to hearing about Jesus? I have a theory. I have no proof for this theory, but I think it could be accurate. You remember the story of the woman at the well? Jesus goes to, and where was that woman? Where was that well? Samaria. There, she's known as the Samaritan woman, right? And Jesus goes and he sits there and he talks to her and they get to know each other. And in the process of getting to know each other, she's converted and she believes in Jesus. And she's so excited that she goes into the town to tell everybody else about Jesus. You know the story, right? So here's my theory. The reason they were so open to Philip coming in and talking about Jesus is because Jesus had evangelized that Samaritan woman, and she kept spreading the word of Jesus. She was evangelizing Jesus. The word of Jesus spread ever since he met her that day on the well. So now, a few months later, Philip is preaching to them, and they are already knowing about Jesus, and his words are just in concrete, putting it more into concrete for them. Does that make sense? And so I think that's why they were so open to it. And we should realize that in our own life. When we present Jesus, when we present our faith, we may not see, Jesus was dead and resurrected from the earth, from the tomb, and before the Samaritans started spreading it. He didn't actually see it happening, but it was happening. When we spread the faith, we don't know if what we're doing is touching anybody or if it's going to make a difference. We have to trust God that it is. And I think in this case, it's an example that what Jesus started, the process of getting to know that Jesus is God, that Jesus is the Messiah, was something that did spread through the area of Samaria. And it changed everything because now the Jews were going there. They were willing to talk about Jesus to those people. They were willing to heal the people. In fact, Peter and John went a short time later, and they all were in accord with what was happening.